Eliminate the troublesome donut gasket on your factory 7.3 liter up pipes with the XDP OER Plus Series Bellowed up pipes. Due to expansion and contraction and extreme heat cycles, the factory donut gasket, designed to seal the up pipes in your 99.5 to 03 7.3 liter Powerstroke, will leak over time. These leaks can lessen the overall drivability of your truck. The XDP OER Plus Bellowed up pipes eliminate this issue by replacing the donut gasket with a durable steel crush gasket, along with Bellowed design up pipes, allowing for expansion and contraction without relying on the gasket. The exhaust collector features a ceramic coating, and the up pipes are manufactured from stainless steel for increased durability. This kit is a direct fit replacement and includes all the necessary hardware needed for installation. These kits will not work for the early 99 Powerstrokes. To find out more about the XDP 7.3 liter OER Plus Series Bellowed up pipe kit, check out xdp.com or contact the local dealer near you.